Welcome to our roundup of the best square tools. Essential measuring and marking tools designed to ensure perfect right angles, accurate layouts, and precise craftsmanship in woodworking, metalworking, and construction projects. A square tool is mainly used to check and mark 90-degree angles, helping you achieve clean cuts, proper alignment, and professional-level finishing in every task. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, having a reliable square can greatly improve accuracy and reduce costly mistakes during your work. Modern square tools come with durable materials, precision-machined edges, and easy-to-read measurement markings for better usability and long-term performance. Choosing the right square tool can enhance precision, improve workflow efficiency, and help deliver more consistent and professional results. Let's take a closer look at some of the best square tools available right now. Starting with the Mysamito square tool. This model is a great option for users looking for a simple and affordable measuring tool with reliable performance, consistent accuracy, and easy everyday usability. It typically features a durable construction with clearly printed or engraved measurement scales that make it easy to check right angles and draw straight lines accurately without confusion. The lightweight and compact design allows for easy handling, quick adjustments, and convenient storage in toolboxes or work areas. Many versions include corrosion-resistant materials, helping maintain long-term usability, even with frequent use in different environments. Users appreciate its straightforward design and dependable performance for small woodworking, DIY, and light construction tasks. It is especially useful for beginners who need a basic but effective measuring tool. Additionally, it delivers consistent accuracy and reliable operation over time. Next up is the Akeno's square tool, a versatile and dependable option designed for handling multiple measuring and marking tasks with stable, accurate, and consistent performance across different projects. This model typically features a sturdy build with precise angle alignment that helps ensure accurate 90-degree measurements during cutting, layout, or assembly work. It often includes deeply engraved or laser-etched measurement markings that remain clearly visible even after extended use, improving long-term reliability and ease of reading. Many users appreciate its balanced weight and comfortable handling, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users working on various tasks. The tool performs well in woodworking, layout marking, and general construction applications where accuracy is important. Its durable design ensures it can handle regular use without losing precision. Additionally, it provides steady performance and dependable results across different uses. Moving on to the Larmile square tool. This model is known for its solid construction, enhanced durability, and reliable accuracy in both light and medium-duty applications. It typically features high-quality metal construction that improves strength and ensures better resistance to wear, bending, or damage over time. The precision-machined edges allow for clean and accurate marking, making it easier to achieve professional-level results in woodworking or fabrication projects. Many versions include multi-angle functionality, allowing users to perform more than just basic right-angle measurements, which increases its versatility. Users often appreciate its sturdy feel, stable grip, and consistent performance during repeated use in different working conditions. It is suitable for users who want a stronger and more durable tool than entry-level options. Additionally, it delivers reliable measuring results and smooth operation. Stepping up in performance, the Frenda Machinist square tool offers a strong balance of high precision, durability, and professional-grade usability for more demanding and detailed tasks. This model typically features hardened steel construction that provides excellent accuracy and long-lasting performance, especially in machining, metalworking, or precision engineering environments. It is specifically designed to maintain exact 90-degree alignment, which is critical for tasks that require extreme accuracy and tight tolerances. Many versions come with finely ground and polished edges that improve contact accuracy and minimize measurement errors during use. Users appreciate its professional quality and ability to deliver highly accurate and repeatable results even under heavy use. It is ideal for advanced users who require dependable precision tools. Additionally, it delivers precise measurements and reliable performance. Taking the top spot is the Preciva square tool, a highly advanced and reliable option designed for maximum precision, durability, and consistent high performance across a wide range of applications. This model typically features premium-grade materials combined with precision-engineered edges that ensure highly accurate angle measurement and marking every single time. It often includes clear laser-etched markings that remain easy to read even after long-term use in demanding environments. The robust and stable construction ensures better handling and control, helping users achieve clean, straight, and consistent results in woodworking, construction, and mechanical tasks. Many users appreciate its excellent build quality and dependable accuracy for both professional and DIY projects. It performs exceptionally well in tasks where precision and reliability are critical. Additionally, it delivers consistent high-precision results and long-term durability. All of these square tools serve different needs depending on build quality, accuracy, and usage. The Mysamito tool offers simple functionality at a great value. The AK-Nose tool provides balanced performance and versatility. The Larmile tool delivers strong construction with reliable accuracy. The Frenda tool offers professional-grade precision and durability. And the Preciva tool stands out as the most accurate and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best square tools, from basic measuring tools to advanced precision instruments designed for professional results. Whether you're working on woodworking projects, metal fabrication, construction layouts, or DIY tasks at home, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and achieve perfect accuracy with the right square tool.